Hi, today I'm using XIAOMI 12S Ultra and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store and in the search pool enter the Icon Changer. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. And here you'll see all of the available applications, which icon you can't change. For example, let's change the clock icon. Tap it. Here if you want to rename it, just click to this edit icon. Here we'll see the library with different default icons. Also you could use photo from your device gallery or to take picture right now in camera app. For example, I'll use one from this available icons. For example, this is the clock one. Just let's select the clock. Tap to OK on the right upper corner. So now we should go to the system settings to open the shortcut permission. Here click to permissions. Always allow. Here home screen shortcuts, click always allow. Then just go back to the application, click again to OK and wait and skip the videos. Tap to this X icon. Here we could go to desktop or change the next icon by the same way. So let's check our new icon, and this is the new clock icon, and here we got the default one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.